making this model for over 25 years. It's extremely robust. The whole body is steel that's covered in powder coat paint. Every fastener in the machine is stainless steel. The way the sweeper works is we have a 2 cubic foot hopper here. As you're going across the floor, debris goes underneath the hopper flap, and behind this panel is a main broom that floats on the floor, so it rides up and down with the contours of your floor. That's spinning and throwing the large debris into the hopper. All that vigorous action of that broom on dusty floors creates this huge cloud in here of dust, which on some other machines would actually flow out and create airborne dust, which is not good for your environment. We actually vacuumize this whole compartment, the hopper, the broom, and we collect it into a massive filter here, which is also unique to our machine. Under this panel is a Baghouse style filter. It's made out of a poly felt, so it won't rot, doesn't support growth, and filters down to 3 microns. So all that dust that's getting thrown in here and stirred up gets sucked up into those massive pleats. This thing is easily 100 times larger than any paper panel filter like you'll find in any other sweeper in the market. These are your 2 main broom controls. The one on the left lowers your main broom into the floating position. The one on the right lowers your side broom if you choose to use it. Typically we only use side brooms when we're doing edge work and detail work. To turn those on, you have a 3-position switch. Down position is off. The middle position is your dust control and main broom. And if you choose to use the side broom, you can flick it up and turn that on as well. Now we're going to check what we caught in the hopper. Hit the latch, pull the hopper out. You can see all the debris we got. Now I'm going to put the hopper back in and clean out the filter. I'm going to put a napkin in there so you can see what comes out. On the back is a crank. I'm going to spin that for about 5 seconds. That's beating on the bottom of the pleats to release all the dust and drop it in the hopper so it can be disposed of. Look at how thick that is. All fine dust. There's no way a paper panel filter could hold all that.